For the past 6 years, my patient couldn't run without experiencing low back and left hip pain. Cracking his back like this felt great, but the symptoms always returned. During my testing, I found his right glutes were very strong, but his left were weak, leading to hip instability. You can test yourself at home by doing a side plank leg lift and comparing side to side. He burned out far faster on his left side, again revealing that weakness. Now your glutes work with your core muscles like your QL to stabilize your spine and pelvis when you run. If they're not working correctly, you get a breakdown in the system and a potential risk of injury. I had him start with this side plank, twisting his pelvis open until he felt his lateral glutes, the glute medius, working really hard. We also did some offset walks with a bouncing 10-pound weight to enhance core stiffness. After, running felt great, no pain whatsoever, showing he's finally on the right track.